heard from the Finance Ministry, we've heard from the Reserve Bank of India on their views on cryptocurrencies and having a law which allows for global acceptance of global cryptocurrencies or an Indian version of a cryptocurrency. How do you personally, as Finance Minister, view this debate? Do you think we're heading into a zone where it's almost inevitable that governments will have to come around to the realization that cryptocurrencies are here to stay? How do you view this outside of what we've already heard from the RBI? How's the Finance Minister viewing this entire debate around cryptocurrencies?
A cabinet note is getting prepared. It's almost nearing completion, and then it will be taken to the cabinet, of course. And I have said my view on this, saying the Supreme Court had commented on this cryptocurrency. Whilst we are very clear that the Reserve Bank may take a call on an official cryptocurrency or anything of that kind, but from our side, we are very clear that we are not shutting all options off. We will allow a certain amount of a window for people to use, so that experiments in the blockchain, the Bitcoin, or whatever you may want to call it, the cryptocurrency experiments and fintech, which depend on such experiments, will have that window available for them. We are not going to shut it off all. But yet, what kind of a formulation, even for a crypto, will have to be the content of the cabinet note, which will get ready soon.
How excited are you about the prospects of blockchain technology and its application in reimagining how we govern India, and how, for example, land records are taken care of, financial records are maintained? How excited are you about the application of blockchain, and how much are you pushing it? How do you see that play out?
It's a big area, and I think India has a lead advantage. A lot of Indian fintech companies have already made a lot of progress in it. We've had several presentations given to us. Many works are already at the state levels, in some states happening. And we want to take it up in a big way in IFSC too, the GIFT City in Gandhinagar too. We have given a lot of opportunities for such fintech companies to come and essentially be present there and take it up there. We are also planning to have a startup meet essentially on fintech in Gandhinagar, in the GIFT City. Once the parliament is over, I'll probably spend more time planning and executing that. We are absolutely on the track for it. So I don't want to keep saying I'm doing this or that, but on fintech, on blockchain, there's a lot of work going on in India, and we will certainly encourage them.